Hey everybody!
Hi,
It's Tate
and Kameryn.
So we're here with your final junior STEAM of the summer program this year. We're really sad to see that's over, but we have a real fun STEAM for you guys this week. We wanted to do something that was more a science kind of experiment with you guys. We've leaned more towards sciencey stuff for the STEAMs this year. And that's because I like science, and the arts and English are kind of already represented in a lot of the crafts and other things that we do in the reading. So we've leaned more towards the science aspect of it, but we wanted to do a real cool science experiment. It's honestly, it's more chemistry based, I think, than it is biology based, but we kind of wanted to end with a bang. So we wanted to do something kind of special for you guys. So from your kit, you're gonna need this little
Container of baking soda.
yeah, it's a little container. It has some baking soda in it. You're gonna need your balloon, and you're gonna need this bottle with 4 ounces of vinegar in it. So first thing you're gonna want to do is, I think Cameron's already started doing that, is stretch out the balloon, because you're gonna need to pour the baking soda into the balloon for this. So yeah, I think Cameron was doing that. Do you want to pour the baking soda, or you want me to hold it open? So you probably need some help from a parent for this. So someone needs to hold it open.
Table.
Yeah, hold it over. It might get a little messy, but someone needs to hold the balloon open, and another needs to pour the baking soda into the balloon. It's okay if a little bit of it gets out.
Here you go.
You just want to make sure you get most of it in. Probably be a good idea to get your parents to help hold the balloon, and you can pour it. Or if you'd rather hold the balloon, you can do that, but they are kind of hard to hold open for a good amount of time, so it might be better to get your parent to do that. Yeah, so then you have your balloon, and you've got baking soda in it.
So take the cap off the vinegar, and then you can put the balloon onto the top.
And I think you guys know where this is going. So you guys have probably heard of baking soda vinegar volcanoes. This is a similar reaction. So what we're going to be showing for you guys is so the baking soda is in the balloon. We tip the balloon over, and the baking soda is going to go into the vinegar, and then that's going to react, and it's going to the reaction releases carbon dioxide, which is some of what's in our air. So then it's going to blow up the balloon. So it's kind of cool, but yeah, it's more chemistry based. So basically, just to talk about kind of the basics of this chemical reaction, is it's an acid-base reaction. So baking soda is a base, and vinegar is an acid. And you can do this, you've probably heard mostly baking soda and vinegar, I think, because vinegar is very acidic and baking soda is very basic, so they're on the two opposite ends. But if you put an acid and a base together, as long as they're far enough apart on the pH scale, they will react together. Maybe not as big. It depends how much is in, because your scale goes from, I think, 0 to 14.
Yep.
And right in the middle is 7, which is water, which is completely neutral. So pure water. Not all the water that you drink is pure, because there are minerals and other stuff mixed in. But your water will be around 7, a pH of 7. But other things will be, other substances are on that scale. They could be, if it's below 7, it's basic. If it's above 7, it's acidic. So I don't know the exact pH of vinegar or baking soda, but I do know that they're more on the opposite ends. So vinegar is more towards the 14, and baking soda is more towards the 0 end. So they react. They make a pretty big reaction most of the time. There's not a whole lot of vinegar in baking soda, but I would recommend, maybe if you're worried about making a mess or something, you can do it in your sink. When we did test this, we didn't actually get a huge mess or anything, just a little bit of baking soda somewhere. But if you're worried about that, because I know it will make a reaction, and if you're worried about that, you can do it in your sink or something, or you can even do it outside if you want. So let's cut the chit chat, guys. I mean, I blah 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 a lot, I know. But
so
for learning's sake.
Take
So
the balloon so all the baking soda pours in, and then yep, there you go. It should just do that. And then afterwards it stops producing gas because it neutralizes. But
yeah. yeah, like Cameron was saying, you add an acid and a base, and then they like neutralize together. So to begin, it does kind of, the like vinegar and baking soda will bubble up and go into your balloon, but after it kind of neutralizes and settles down, you will still be left with your balloon the same size, because it's also filled with that carbon dioxide, which is some excess of the chemical reaction, which is pretty cool. So now we've got this neutralized vinegar and baking soda solution into a balloon that's been blown up on it.
Yeah, pretty cool.
And it's a pretty simple thing. Like, if you guys want to do it more than once, obviously you have the balloon, and you probably have like baking soda and vinegar at home if you want to do it, as many times as you want to do it. But it's pretty cool, isn't it? Chemical reactions are fun. Yeah.
Okay, so I think that's it.
Yeah, that's really it for this last Junior Steam, guys. I hope you liked it. Hopefully we see you tomorrow at trivia, and if not, hopefully we'll see you at the Zoom meeting on Thursday. And if we don't see you at any of those times, then hopefully we'll see you at the end of summer walkthrough, right, that we're having. So I think I said this in the Friday sneak peek video, but in case you didn't see that for whatever reason, and we're just gonna keep promoting it so you guys know about it, we're gonna have an end of summer walkthrough. I think it's like 2 to 6 on August 31st, and you can come in and you can play, like, we're gonna have a game or two, and you'll get some treats, and you can actually meet us in person, which would be really fun. So that'll be exciting. There's gonna be some photo boards that you can take pictures with, and then you can get a little award that has your name on it and like your reading minutes and all of that good stuff. So it's going to be really fun, and I think we're really excited to actually meet a lot of you guys in person. We've met a few of you, but not a lot of you, so that would be a lot of fun. So hopefully we'll see you there if we don't see you before then. And before we forget, this week's Beanstack code is, Cameron, can I have a drum roll, please? Adam! So not Adam like the name, it's ATOM. ATOM, Adam. So you can have your parents put that into your Beanstack account for this week's Junior Steam activity. And that's it for today, guys. Hopefully we'll see you on the 31st or before then. Bye.
Bye.